Kigomano giki kiraguciririe makiria ma arutwo 2,000 kuma mathukuru ngurani guku bururi-ini na nja ya bururi, anyiti itemi o hamwe na ataramu wa uthuthuria na uthunduri kuma miena itiganite guku monanio ma uthunduri na wonjoria magitabanirio thukuru-ini wa University wa KCA o murutwo akionanio uthunduri wake. Akiaria kigomano-ini giki, VC wa thukuru wa University wa KCA Professor VINCET ONYWERA niikitie RITANA kuri mathukuru kuhimbiria uthunduri na uthuthuria na kuhura njeki arutwo aria marekuruhania na mihang'o ino kuonania guthondeka mieke ya mawira makiria kuri mbeu njithi na kurehe uthii wa na mbere guku bururi-ini.
There is power in partnership and collaboration. We are not competing. We are complementing each other.
Monanio maya marahingirwo na igongona ria gutuga arutwo aria mathundurite indo ngurani marongoreirie kurehe muthia mathina maria andu aingi matunganaga namo. Hope Wajeri na Alvin Ekada aria ni amwe arutwo aria matugitwo magitariria gikeno kiria mari nakio.
Developed a solution that aims at linking all hospitals in Africa, but also wanted to begin here in Kenya following the Universal Health Coverage Plan with the government through the Digital Health Act of 2023 that was recently assented to law by the President of the Republic of Kenya.
I mainly deal with earrings, bracelets, crochet items. That is what I was pitching, but they were not looking at that entirely. They were looking at the idea itself, like how you manage yourself as a business person if you have an ongoing business, how you can even pitch your idea in 5 minutes.
ONYWERA oho ni agathiririe indo ngurani iria cithondeketwo ni arutwo na kureho monanio-ini maya. Miario yake kinyitwo baru ni Andrew Musila, mutabania wa mihang'o ya uthunduri kambuni-ini ya Safaricom.
We come together so that we can do and work for this country called Kenya. Kenya is our project and all of us have a role to play through research, through innovation, through creativity and through commercialization to be able to move this country forward.
Happy to partner and support this particular initiative because it puts youth right at the heart of its agenda, and it's also about innovation. Innovation is about actually finding solutions to problems, and we have technologies that enable us to do this.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jetagwo Wairima wa Muthui.